Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Anycubic Mega Pro 3D printer. This 3D printer and laser engraver combination provides dual functions at a budget-friendly price. The 3D printer printing is just like the sound of computer host turning on. Compared with the ordinary drive, the TMC2208 drive can make the motor run more smoothly and better avoid out-of-step and jitter, also make the printing quieter. The Anycubic Mega Pro 3D printer integrates 3D printing and laser engraving. One machine with multiple functions. Intelligent dual working modes can be switched at will, high precision engraving, meeting your various creative needs. Anycubic Mega Pro allows you to have no fear of power failure. If the power fails during printing, you can restart the printer to automatically continue the printing instructions, which saves you more time in 3D printer filament. For more details, let's watch more. Our second best laser engraver is Compact Laser Engraver Machine. The Laser Pecker portable laser engraver is small enough that you can tote it anywhere and operate it with a smartphone. Power and connect with Laser Pecker app by power bank, choose or upload any pattern in app and edit it. In preview mode, Laser Pecker Pro will first show a square on the target surface, which users can easily adjust the engraved size and position. You can upload any pictures, create any pattern/text to the Laser Pecker app to engrave. It allows you to modify the pictures or drawings before engrave. Choose a picture from your phone and choose your favorite mode according to different processing effects. Engrave times will also depend on this factor. For more details, let's watch more.
Laser Pecker is a cool and handheld laser engraver. It is super small and good looking. Easy to install. Connect to your phone app. Select an image. And start engraving. Make your inspiration come true. Laser Pecker engraves on wood, leather, and various materials with a unique galvanometer technology.
third pick in our list is Genmitsu CNC 3018 PRO engraving machine. The Genmitsu is a great tool for starting CNC learning. Genmitsu CNC 3018 PRO router kit Garble control 3-axis plastic acrylic PCB PVC wood carving milling engraving machine. If woodworking is your hobby, you can use it to add features like curved words and exquisite patterns. If you are a student just learning CNC, it can help you engrave models that you are coding and designing. The re-optimized power adapter comes with CE, FCC and UL certifications, with over voltage protection, over current protection, over temperature protection, and short circuit protection. The built-in smart integrated circuit design keeps the power adapter going against overheat on the unit and charging stably. For more details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Orchard Laser CNC Engraver. Orchard Laser Master firmware, smarter, faster, higher precision and easier to use. Specialized motherboard with 32 bits MCU. It could pre-process 32 instructions, support baud rate as high as 921,600, more powerful. Engraving speed could be as high as 3,000 per minute. If do not consider the laser carving result, the velocity of movement could be as high as 1,000 ms/s. There is a G sensor on the motherboard. If the machine detects unauthorized movement, the laser beam will stop. 2. If your computer system halted or USB cable disconnected, led to that the laser engraver stops moving, the laser beam will stop, to prevent fire. 3. If laser engraver is under control, but users forget to operate and keep the laser beam working, extra safety will cut off in case the motor stopped moving, to prevent fire. For more details, let's watch more. Number 5 in our top 5 best laser engraver under $500 list is Orion 40 watts laser engraver. This OM Tech 40 watt CO2 laser engraving cutting machine is compatible with most printers, scanners, and image file formats. It has an intuitive digital control panel that automatically adjusts the laser power to accommodate the thickness of your material. It can engrave and cut a variety of non-metal materials. The level board is removable, so you can place irregularly shaped objects and make cuts just as precise as those on flat surfaces. Users praise this laser cutter's dependability and long lifespan. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.